Today I have this to show you. So if you're in a situation like me, and you're in a dorm where you can't really bring an electrical rice cooker, what do? You bring a microwave oven rice cooker! I got this handy microwave oven rice cooker from a Japanese store in Vancouver. It's called Daiso, and they sell stuff for $2 Canadian. This rice cooker was $7.99, which didn't work out. It was a special item that didn't work out to be that $2 scheme thing. So on the back it's pretty simple. It's just a few letters and a few notes about how to cook it. It's in Japanese though. And there are pretty simple pictures which I can guesstimate it from. And let's take a look at what's inside it and what it comes with. Well, it comes with a rice paddle, and you can't go wrong with a rice paddle. It's a mini rice paddle. In the container itself, it's like this. Nice color. It comes with a snappy lid, which has holes on it, I guess, to release the steam. And there's another layer which I have no idea what it's for. And another layer on top of that, below that, sorry, like that. And here there are just simple labels to show this is approximately 1 cup of rice, and to fill the water up to there if you're going to put that much amount of rice. So let's see if it works, because sometimes these things don't work, but I have faith in this. So. Here's rice. It's not bad. It has a little bit of a clumpy taste to it. It's like a little bit like it's clumpy, which is okay, but it's also a little bit dry. So it's not perfect, but it's certainly doable if you're in an emergency of needing rice. So I give it pretty good. Okay, it's good. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.